Big body rollin', sitting on thrones. Midnight tint, but the stars still glow. Press one button, them doors take flight. King of the road, yeah, we ride all night. Chrome on the grill, see the crown when I slide. 26 inches, let it float when I drive. Leather so plush, yeah, it feel like a throne. Speaker so loud, got the city in zone. Night vision lenses, see through the dark. Presidential tint, yeah, I move like a shark. V8 roar, but we whisper in style. Every lane mine when I'm riding in miles. Escalade dreams, pull up and glide. Smoother than silk, let the wheels decide. City lights dance when we ride through the night. Big boy status, yeah, we live that life. Foot on the gas, never look back. All black paint, but the stars in the back. Suede on the ceiling, my thoughts in the sky. Cadillac vision, I'm built to survive. From the block to the hills, yeah, the road feel the same. Luxury flex, but the grind never change. Seats stay heated, but my heart stay cold. I don't gotta flex, man, they already know. Roll slow, tin it up, can't see inside. Move like a boss, let the world decide. Ghost ride the whip, let the city talk. I don't gotta speak, let the caddy walk. Escalade dreams, pull up and glide. Smoother than silk, let the wheels decide. City lights dance when we ride through the night. Big boy status, yeah, we live that life. Leather stay fresh, yeah, the scent stay bold. Classic design, but the money stay old. No second place, yeah, we first in line. Cadillac life, yeah, we built to shine.